What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to tutorial 58. So in this tutorial guys, I'll be going to show you how to create some sort of custom reporting template. So I have got so many requests for last couple of months that I need to create one more tutorial or maybe probably two tutorial to show you guys how to do some sort of like custom template. So first of all, I would like to say sorry guys that I'm not actually uploading videos for this report lab because I want to actually take some time to gather all the different requirement or use cases so that I can do it parallelly one by one everything. So now I got so many use cases, so I think now it will be like more or less regular that I'll be going to upload the report lab tutorial again. So again, this is going to be hands-on driven. So let me just explain you what is the objective of this tutorial. So this is kind of a template. So probably you guys have seen this, that this is some sort of like you can write some sort of heading or title and this is going to be your body. So how to create this template, this is one objective for today's tutorial. Second, this is like something header, then the body and the footer, how to do that. Next thing is something like that, this header, then something in left margin, then in the right hand side like actual matter or body, and here at the below you need some sort of like footer. And this is also something very relevant and more or less it is also very useful, and I got so many requests for this template. So I've actually picked up these 4 very common and very unique templates which you guys sent me, and from there actually I'll be going to show you guys how to do that. This is very easy, but I think if I just show you guys, then you'll be able to understand how easy this thing. So let me just remove this thing. Okay, so let's start writing the code from here actually. So it's normal. So first of all, we need to import our report lab. So it will be from report lab dot I think I don't have report lab installed here. So what I'll do, maybe pip3 install report lab. So actually recently I installed this thing, so that is why probably okay, it's done. So probably now this should work. Yes, import canvas. Okay, so let's now start writing the code. So next thing will be pdf from report lab dot lib, and lib dot probably we need units, import centimeter, and we need some color as well. So from report lab dot lib import color. So let me just run this thing again, so probably we'll be able to understand whether this is working. Oh sorry, I'm not sure what happened. I think python dot report lab underscore tutorial 58 dot, I have written 48 actually, 58.5. Let me run this thing. What is this? This thing report lab tutorial underscore 58. Okay, I did a mistake actually, so it should be something like that. Okay, report lab no name module report lab.pgfgen. So it is saying there is no such module with this name. So this is strange. I'm not sure why this is not able to find this thing. So probably I think I need to write python 3 maybe. Let's see. And report lab underscore tutorial underscore 58.5. probably this should work now. Yes, it's fine. So actually I have 2 versions, one is normal Python and one is Python 3. So in Python 3 actually I installed this report lab. So let me just increase the size a bit. I think this is a bit, I think this is fine now. Okay, so now next thing I will just try to create one variable, and inside the variable it will be actually going to be the canvas object. So it should be canvas dot canvas, okay, and I will just give a name. So it should be tutorial 58 dot pdf, okay, that's it. Then we'll write pdf dot translate, and I will write centimeter comma centimeter, okay. So now what is our template? So this is our first template, so the green thing and this red thing, okay. So let me just write something here, template 1. So I'll write the code for this template first, okay. So what I'll do, it will be kind of, we need green actually, right, and we need the thing is at the below we need something in where it is actually, let me just open. So we, okay, this is not this thing probably, okay, so we need in green and red, okay. So let's run this thing. So pdf, so first of all I think we need to like decide our size. So pdf dot maybe we can cut this thing, probably can write this thing here, pdf dot set. So it should be set we need to set page size actually, set page size, and inside that we need to again pass one like this tuple, the width is 100 and this is 700, okay, this is fine. And now probably we can write something like this. So first of all we need green and red, okay. So it should be like pdf dot set stroke color. So I will write colors dot colors dot green, okay, and I will write pdf dot set fill color, and this is also going to be colors dot green, okay. And now I will create a rectangle, okay. So pdf dot not sure why this is not coming, sometime it doesn't work and sometime it works, we can't help it. So so first of all I would like to like x is like, let's say I want from 40, and let's say it should be from the bottom 560, and I want the full thing, so it should be 900, and I need the height, let's say probably 100, and stroke equals to 1, and I need fill equals to 1, okay. And after that I will just write pdf dot save, okay. So let's write down this thing, so we'll get a nice looking rectangle. So let's write down this thing. So okay, see it is created here. So maybe Rebel in Finder. So let me open this thing. See, I got some nice looking PDF report, okay. So what I'll do, let me open this thing from here actually, then it will be easier to understand. Reportlab Python, so this is the file, so maybe I can open it using Chrome. See, this is our report, and actually I got this thing here, okay. So this looks nice actually, okay, fine. So now this at the below, let me just delete this thing, okay, and this, okay, fine, or maybe it will be easier to understand. So this is something like that, and okay, so we can now create this red thing, okay. So just delete this thing, okay. Okay, just keep this thing like this. So now probably we need to create one more this thing, but it should be with the red color. Why I just pull this stroke color is green, or else the border will be also different. So it will be red, it will be red, so it will be always from 40. So in place of 50, 560, probably I can write something, let's say 30, and it should be I'm just thinking what will be the best thing, probably 500 would be the best thing, okay. So there will be one more rectangle, but it will start from a bit below, that is why 30, and height will be also 500. So it will be like a bit like in height it will be like more, we need more height, and the width wise this is going to be same. So let me run this thing again. Okay, so new file got created. So I will try to open this thing. See, if you go from the highlight preview, you can see it is already created. Okay, so if you guys see, this is what we are expecting, right? So our template one is completed. So what I'll do, let me just write hashtag template, not hashtag, hash template. Okay, so hash template. See guys, this is very easy, right? I'm not sure how to like comment this line in Visual Studio Code. I actually recently started working on this. Probably let me write something, I'm not sure. Maybe command K, maybe I, U, I'm not sure. Control Shift K, no, U, I, it's not working. So maybe just wait, let me just do a Google. It is the right way of doing, so we can check. Just searching, just give me a moment. VS Code comment shortcut, it should be Control KC and Control KU. Control KC, it should be Control K. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, so it should be Control K. Why this is saying Control KC? Not sure. It's getting deleted actually. Not sure. Okay, strange. Okay, Command KC. Okay, so it's done. So now probably we can write the same thing again. So what is our next template? So our next template is that we need green, we need something purple, and we need red. Okay, so three things. So let's first create this thing. Anyways, we need this thing. This is going to be our main thing, green. Okay, so let me uncomment this thing. Okay, this thing is done. Then we can write pdf dot rect, and same thing, it should be 40, then it should be 560, right? Then it will be 900, and it should be 100. Then stroke will be 1, and fill will be 1. Okay, this is done. And now let me write pdf.save. Okay, so this part if you write, it will come. So now next thing we need next thing, we need this thing over there. So same thing is going to happen, right? Whatever we write in the step 1, we can do the same thing as well, right? So what I'll do, we can write the same thing. Okay, so it should be let me write this thing again. Okay, so it should be what color should be, I'm just thinking it should be violet or purple. So it should be blue violet, yeah, blue violet, and it should be 40. Then probably I'm just thinking from here it should start from maybe 100 is fine. I'm just thinking, yes, this is here actually start from 30, but here I need actually two things. So probably 100 is fine, and it should be, let's say, I'm just thinking, let's make it 420, and after that let's run this thing first. Okay, so let's open terminal. Terminal is already opened actually, so let's run this thing. Okay, so see, I got something here. Okay, Okay, so I got something there. What happened? Okay, see, I got something there. Yes, so I got something. So now I need to add one more line at below. Okay, so that is actually I'm expecting. So let's copy this thing. Okay, we need one more rectangle. Okay, so it should be again red, red, and it should be, I'm just thinking it should be maybe we can make it 20. 900 is there, maybe we can make it let's say 60 is fine. I think 60 or 50, whatever is fine. Let's run this thing. Okay, so right, this is fine. Let's try to open this thing from here actually, then it will be easier for all of you to understand. Okay, let's minimize this thing. See, whatever we are trying to achieve, we actually got this thing, right? It's fine, perfectly okay. So our second template is also completed. Okay, so what I'll do now, I will just copy paste this thing. Just give me some time, guys. So probably we need this thing in our next template part as well. Okay, so I will write tutorial 3. Okay, fine, this is fine. So now what will happen, so let me just open the next thing. So this is what, so whatever is there, that will be there, and we actually like divide this part actually in two sections. So this part and this part will be fixed. We need to actually do some tweak in this part. So this part actually going to be changed. So what we can do actually in this part, so we need to include two section actually in this part. So our width should be not completely 900. Here actually we have 900, so our width should not be 900, but rather than we can just distribute this thing. So probably it should be 400, 100 and something like that, and let's say it should be 200, maybe just thinking 200, something like that. And here width will be always same, but sorry, height will be always same, so it is going to be changed. So here actually this is actually start from here, so I need a bit like let's say 230 will be there. I'm just thinking 230, so probably it should be 650 or something. I'm not sure. 650. I think so. 840. So let's make it 600 and something like that. Let's see how it works. So we actually earlier it was, if you see here, it was like complete 900 right here. So I actually distributed the complete 900 into two parts, 610 and 200, like that actually I'm doing. And here actually I need to comment this thing. So command K and C. Okay, done. So this is done, and after that maybe I can write PDF dot save. So let's run this thing. Let's see. Okay, our new file got generated. So if you see already, I'm not sure whether it got changed or something like that. So we'll see it now. I didn't find any changes over here, so maybe something we need to change here. So why? So it was like starting from 100, it was 600 here. Oh no, sorry, it should not be 610. I actually did a mistake. It should be 200. Sorry, and it should be it will start from, oh sorry, I did a mistake here. Actually I did a mistake. It should be 200, and from here actually 230. It will start from 40 to 200, then it will start from 200, and 200. I'm just thinking from here actually it should start actually from 200 to start from 240. So it is not 230 to 40 to 200 means it's always 240. So at least we need to put here 250. So that is why the overlapping was there, and we can write here 670 or something. Let's say like 670. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's run this thing. It's done. So if you see, we got something similar, but we'll see. Yes, we got almost similar. Okay, so let me just tweak this thing. Maybe something we need to change actually. That is why it is like this 670, and maybe we can write something 680. Okay, so let's run this thing again. Some just this change in this thing. That's it. So nothing like logical. You need to understand. Just because I did the practice, so I know. See, it looks nice now. Everything is aligned. You see here, see, everything is aligned. See, right? So our third template is also done. So let me just copy this thing, template 3. Okay, so if you guys see, this is actually very simple to create this sort of template. So let me just minimize this thing. It will be easier to copy actually, and then again I will put this thing. Okay, so like this, tutorial 4, like this, and after that I can make it Control K C, can write Control K C. Okay, done. So now the last template is actually here. Okay, so how to make this thing, like if you see I think this is our first template is done, second template was done, and third template I believe, let me check what was our last template. I don't really remember. Just give me some time, guys. Okay, so see, you guys just did this thing. So now the last template is that we need to we need to do this thing. So earlier it was like this. Now we need to distribute this part. So width will be same now. Now I have to like change this thing here. Okay, so that is one more use case. So that will be also fun. So I will show you guys how to do it. Okay. So first part is not going to be changed. It will be always same, right? Okay. And the last part is also going to be same. We should not change anything. But in between actually we need to do some tweak. Okay. So first thing, this is also not going to be same. So what I'll do now, I will remove this part actually. Okay. So then it will be easier for you guys to understand what is actually done and what is required. Okay, if you see so now if you see, we need to put something here, and how we can do this thing and what is actually exactly required. So not this one. What is our slide? What is our slide? Let me check this thing. Okay, where is our slide? Okay, this is our slide. Okay, so if you see, we need actually this thing here. Okay, and we have already this thing, so we need to put 2 rectangles there. Okay, so let's write that part now. Okay, where is our code? Okay, fine, this is our code. Okay, oh, it is a bit bigger, so it's fine. Okay, so now I have to write something here actually. So for that thing I need 2 block. Okay, the width will be same, the height will be different. Okay, so let me just write this thing. So there will be 2 block. Okay, so it will be always 40, it will be always 40, but it will be not always 40. Both of them will be 260 and 260. Okay, so the last thing, so 260, and we will write something 260. Okay, so it should be always 900 like, and the width wise we will change something. So maybe we can put something 220 and maybe 220, and here maybe we can write 190. So let's see, it will be done now. So just because why this is done, so we created two more rectangles. One will start from 260 cause it will start from 40 and it will go until 200. So we just give 20 like centimeter gap like in between. So 20 units actually, not 20 centimeter. Okay, and after that it will go until 900. It will be not actually 900 cause our entire width is 900. So it will be not 900. It will be what? It will be this one, 680. Okay, it will be 680. Okay, so it will be 680, and here also it will be 680. So it will cover the whole screen. So now let's what happened. Okay, it's done. So new file created. Okay, let me minimize this thing. Okay, new file got created. So let me check actually what happened here. So I'm not sure whether I'll be able to get this thing or still. Okay, actually I got only one, the other part actually not created. Let me check actually. 260 no, it will start from 260 to 100. Okay, actually both of them are actually side by side, so it should be 100 and one should be from 300. Actually this is my mistake guys, it should be 330. Okay, so it will start from 100 means what happened here actually. See, one is start from 100 and go until 220, and the next should be start from here, so it will be from here. So it will be 100 plus 220 means almost 320. I just want to give 10 unit gap, so it will be from 330. Okay, so now it is done. So this, and it is something is running, it is run, then you see it is there. See, everything is lined. So let me just open this thing with Chrome, then it will be like easier to zoom in. And okay, and what we'll do after that, okay, see, this is very easy, right guys? So all our nice looking templates are done. So probably you guys can easily follow along this tutorial and just treat this tutorial as a like kind of prototype to build some template. But trust me guys, if you know this sort of designing, then you can do anything. Like I'm just giving you some sort of intuition towards how you can use Reportlab to generate your some nice looking eye-catchy reporting template. So you know, if you see this thing, these are very basic things, this rect and other things. And now even we are not considering table or header or footer or platypus, flowable, or even we are not considering frames. So using these simple things, we can also create some nice looking things. So in the next tutorial guys, I will show you guys how to actually put some, where is my this thing, documents. So in the next tutorial I will show you guys how to put some content actually to just make it like more or less like actual report. Okay, so in the next tutorial I will actually show you guys that how to put something here so that it looks more or less some real content. Some header will be there, some body like side body or margin will be there, some footer will be there, and some sort of subtext should be there. Okay, so in the next tutorial we're going to use the same template to generate some actual reports. So just stay tuned for the next tutorial, and in between if you guys are having any doubt, question, or need any you want to give some you want to give some feedback, or you want us to improve our quality in such a way that it will be helpful for you guys, then also you can write me. Always try to improve our qualities as well. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, once again, have a nice weekend.